नमस्कार दोस्तों, इनक्राफ्ट ऑल इंडिया बिजनेस पार्टनर मीट 2021 में बिल्डिंग मटेरियल रिपोर्टर से मैं संदीप लठवाल कैमरामैन विनीत सिंह के साथ गोवा से आपका स्वागत करता हूं।
Much awaited system aluminum launch,
which started around 100 years ago with my great grandfather.
आज की अवार्ड नाइट और न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च पर क्या कहना है इनक्राफ्ट इंडिया के बिजनेस पार्टनर्स का, आइए जानते हैं इनक्राफ्ट फैमिली से।
It is always a good feeling when you achieve a target and you come first. But like what I said, the whole team is together and we should work together. Numbers doesn't matter, and if we all work together as a big team all over India, we are able to help each other, all the partners, then I think the whole purpose will be achieved. After sales service has been strength of Encraft, and that's what we have learned, and we have kept that same principle for our company also. And as fabricators, we are also very much concerned about our clients, and our after sales service is also, we try to match what standard they have kept in the industry.
कंपनी लॉन्च एल्यूमिनियम विंडोज एंड डोर एज वेल। मार्केट में क्या पोटेंशियल, क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज देखते हैं आप सर?
Aluminium is gaining market in India, especially in North India, where I represent from. So it's a very getting more popular, and it's the right time that Encraft has launched this product, and we are very confident with this product. Encraft will become number one in aluminium market also amongst all the top leaders who are doing currently UPVC.
Encraft में जो varieties है, different types of products and the quality of the Encraft is the most important thing which we have like and we joined the Encraft. After sale service तो बहुत अच्छी है, और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कहना है कि यहाँ पे इंडिया में वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल का प्रोडक्ट ला रहे हैं। मीन्स अभी आप कंपेयर करोगे कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटर से, तो इनका प्रोडक्ट एट टॉप लेवल पे है, तो दैट्स वाई वी हैव चूज Encraft। एंड अभी जो एल्यूमिनियम लॉन्च हुआ है उसके साथ तो और आगे जाएंगे हम Encraft के साथ में, और Encraft भी बहुत आगे जाने वाला है।
Encraft के लिए कुछ भी बोले कम नहीं है। Their technology, their variety of sections and the teamwork and also the support from the Encraft, everything is amazing.
I'm a very quality conscious, that's why I'm associated with Encraft India. It's a wonderful service. I am the only one fabricator who has installed Encraft window in minus 40 degrees Celsius. From last 8 years, there is no complaint.
There are three things which I like most about Encraft. One is definitely the quality. Second is their technical support. And the best thing about Encraft is the people. Because customers don't buy products. Customer buy people. People buy people. Customer do not buy products. Customer buy solutions. So Encraft is a wholesome game. It's a 360-degree product. I would give a 10 out of 10 for their customer support and therefore their technical expertise on the product. They know what they're doing and they are the best in the business.
My partners have been our great buddies, as we call them. They are buddies, they are friends, they are part of the family now. So our message is that we handhold you and you handhold us. We handhold you in terms of providing good quality, the technical inputs, the timely supplies. You see, in spite of pandemic, in spite of 70% increase in the raw material prices, we have never interrupted supplies. We have tried to cater to every demand of our partners. So my message to my partners is, you can depend on Encraft in any situation, and for any problem we have a team which will support you through thick and thin.
सर, इतने टफ टाइम में इनक्राफ्ट इंडिया ने 18% के साथ ग्रोथ किया है, इसके पीछे का सीक्रेट क्या है सर?
Secret is behind this success is actually the inspiration is always flow from the top of the organization actually. First of all, the promoter, they are supporting us anything, and the CEO, dynamic CEO of our company, is Avnish Singh Vishen, that he is having the tremendous talent that he always motivate the team, so that in this pandemic, because of his guidance and because of his leadership, what he's showing in last 2-3 years back, so it is really work for the company, and each and every employee of the company is motivated due to his leadership skills. So that's the reason behind it, and his leadership skills as well as the support for promoters, it is the success mantra of ours.
सर, आप हमेशा कहते हैं आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है। आज आपने इनक्राफ्ट एल्यूमिनियम विंडोज एंड डोर लॉन्च किया है, मार्केट में क्या गैप देखते हैं आप और उसको कैसे फिल करने वाले हैं?
देखिए, इसके लिए मैं एक चीज़ फॉलो करता हूँ, जैसा कहा जाता है कि आप कस्टमर मत ढूंढिए, राइट? आप अपने कस्टमरों के लिए नया प्रोडक्ट ढूंढिए। मेरे कस्टमर हैं कौन? मेरे कस्टमर हैं इंड यूज़र, होम ओनर, आर्किटेक्ट, डेवलपर, और अपने बास्केट में हमारे पास हर टाइप के रेंज होने चाहिए। हम खिड़कियाँ बेचते हैं, दरवाजे बेचते हैं, सपने खिड़कियों से ही देखे जाते हैं। खिड़कियों की चॉइस जो है, आज लोगों को एल्यूमिनियम चाहिए, यूपीवीसी चाहिए, उसके बाद जाकर के लोगों ने कहा कि क्यों नहीं, वाई नॉट यू एल्यूमिनियम। दैट्स वाई वी कम अप विद another product portfolio which is system aluminum. This is nothing, just only we are coming as a diversified product, like I said you find the product for your customer rather than find the customer for your products.
सर, इस प्रोडक्ट का यूएसपी क्या है, इस प्रोडक्ट की क्या खासियत है?
हमने जब यूपीवीसी भी लॉन्च किया था, वी हैव कस्टमाइज्ड एवरीथिंग एज पर द इंडियन मार्केट नीड एंड इंडियन कंडीशन। आज अगर आप देखोगे, इनक्राफ्ट एज अ पार्ट ऑफ डीसीजे ग्रुप, हमारे पास पिछले 60 वर्ष का इंडियन मार्केट का एक्सपीरियंस है, कंज्यूमर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है और कस्टमर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है। यहाँ पे हमने उसी अपने 60 साल के एक्सपीरियंस को यहाँ पे भी कन्वर्ट किया है, बिकॉज वी नो इंडिया बेटर दैन anybody else who are here because of our 6 decades of the rich experience with the Indian consumer, and that's what our aluminum product is also designed specifically as per the Indian market condition and need. See, हम लोगों के बीच रहते हैं, we know the feeling of a customer because I'm also a house owner, I'm also a end customer. What they need and where is the existing product is available in the market, whatever the gap is there, the gap we have filled.